Okay, so here is, I think, a better example with an actual picture of what the turns look like. So this is my pre-image, the one that's labeled with the letters, and it's triangle XYZ, okay? This is the point of rotation, point Z, because it's the point that's not moving. So to get from the black triangle to the red triangle, so say, pick a point. So say I'm gonna use point Y. Here's Y prime. Y just moved 1/4 of a turn. So from the black triangle to the red triangle, that's a 90-degree rotation, and this is clockwise, okay? But now, if I go from the pre-image, same point, point Y, to the blue, right, this is the same point, this is going a full half a turn. So that's 180 degrees. And then if I were to keep going, you see, it's 3/4 of a circle, that's 270 degrees. So to get to the red, it's 90 degrees clockwise, about point, what is that? Y, no, point Z, that's the point that's not moving. To get to the blue, it's a 180-degree rotation. I don't need the direction. Remember, clockwise, 180 doesn't matter which way you go. 180-degree rotation about point Z. And then to get to my pink, ooh, I don't have the pink, so I'll make it purple. To get to pink, that would be 270 degrees rotation about point Z. And sorry, rotation clockwise. Now, 90 degrees clockwise is the same as 270 degrees counterclockwise. And this is also the same as 90 degrees clockwise. Those are always the same. They're opposites, okay? They end up being the exact same rotation. They'll end up in the same place. So I hope this makes it easier for you to see, like this is 1/4 of a turn, this is 1/2 of a turn, and then the red is 3/4 of a turn. So the problem, for example, is asking us to describe the rotation that we see from the black triangle, which is the pre-image, to the red triangle, which is the image. So I see from one point to its corresponding point, that's 1/4 of a circle. So this is a 90-degree clockwise rotation about point Z, but you need to give the ordered pair just in case they're not labeled. I want you to be able to give the point of rotation. It's the point 3, -1. Or there's always two options. So the opposite of 90 is going to be 270. The opposite of clockwise is going to be counterclockwise. Rotation about point Z, 3, -1. So those are the two options for this particular rotation. We're going to do a few practice problems. Again, you're not actually performing the rotations in this lesson. You're just being able to identify them. So can you look at a rotation about a point and figure out what was done?